It's a new dyno we made. Now we can run these engines for you. Check this out. Sweet. What's up, guys? Jason with Cart Smart TV here, and we have built a ton of motors this year, and so we needed a way to basically run these things before we got them back to you guys. And so with that being said, we have put us together like a dyno engine running stand, and we are super excited to be able to do so. We had an engine come back that had an oil leak, and we did take care of his problem. It's gonna happen. It happens to me right here in the shop all the time. It could be just some simple faulty gasket causing a leak, but anyway, we got him fixed up, got him back, everything's good to go now. Alright guys, so being that we've got a new dyno, we got to start off with a fresh motor build. This is what happens after yours gets built also. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a fresh brand new carburetor of ours on it. We're going to put the starter generator pulley system on it. We had a broken clutch, so we was fortunate enough to use the belt pulley part. You're going to need your belt adjustment, and it's kind of weird here because this is not easy go. We're using club car adjustment system here, which is kind of cool. You're going to have your, obviously, your coil and all that as well. And I like to put the exhaust manifold on, and I normally would like to put a muffler on too, so that it helps with the back pressure just in case it causes a problem. But this motor is set up and ready to be put on the new dyno, which we are super excited about. And so we're gonna move into the dyno that we've built. And what we've done is we found us just an old table that we had sitting around. We took the older model E-Z-Go engine mounting brackets that also has the starter generator bracket incorporated in it. We mounted it to the table. We set up our fuel system, obviously with the tank, fuel pump, lines. We set up our battery with the cables to ground and to positive. And then we also got a plate from out of one of the golf carts we had out in the junkyard, and we put a solenoid igniter, and we had to make a wiring harness up to get it all powered up and ready to be able to fire up these engines. The best part about this is now we can almost take out problems because I can actually have this engine running before it comes to you now. So it will be mostly broke in now, thankfully, and then I can find any of those oil leaks that might show up, or any kind of major issue that might happen. Maybe it'll happen right here on this table, and we can alleviate any of the problems that may come with not being able to run it before you get it. So we're going to tag each motor also with your name, and video it for you as it's sitting here running, so you have a like you're standing right here with me, guys. That's kind of what we want. And alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get this put on our table and get it hooked up. Okay, I think we got it hooked up. Ready to get her fired up, hopefully. And get the one last thing that we used yesterday. A little linkage on right here. And let's see if she'll go. Alright guys, so now you see I can actually let it sit here and run for 20, 25, 30 minutes and get it really good and warm, give it some gas and make sure it's taking in like it's supposed to. It's basically gaining the RPMs that you're looking for on these motors, and so it's going to be a really good break-in process, especially for the main purpose of being able to find the leaks that might be happening, or you know, having possibly a bad rings on one side. So I mean, just could help out with anything like that. So alright guys, don't forget about our engine rebuild program. We video it just as soon as it hits off the shipper, whoever you use. We video straight to the table what we find wrong. You go ahead and give us a clear to fix whatever we find. And the best part now is that we will be able to run your engine with our dyno to make sure that it is going to be operational before it gets to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the business this year, especially in the motor world. Hopefully this video will help some of you guys out that try to or need a DIY setup like this. So just let us know if we can help you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, likes. Please comment if you guys have any questions on any of our videos. We'll be glad to help you out any way we can. So God bless you. Have a blessed day.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but